Hello. Can I speak to Mr. Beguwala?
Yes, just hold on, please. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I am Begola speaking.
I was born in Cherny Road, Bombay, 1937, 15 June.
Schooling was good. I was getting the number one in my school from first to fourth standard.
मैं कोलाबा में रहता था उस टाइम। उसके बाद फिर थोड़े साल के बाद होटल के खाने से बहुत परेशान था फिर मैं शादी की।
We Sindhis who came from Pakistan and we are called refugees. We came with one cloth and then we have established. So life is what it is.
God has given me only daughters, no sons. But I am very, very happy with my daughters. They are doing all for me, everything for me. Smallest thing to biggest thing, everything I can say.
I had breast cancer and it was operated 1 year before. Today is the first. I have completed 1 year of operation.
In the 60s, when we were really groomed, there were the Beatles and Elvis Presley, Cliff Richard and all these guys. So I'm little more on that traditional old type of music. Don't leave me now. Now that I need you. How blue and lonely I feel. If you should say that they're true.
Because I am husband for 54 years, so I have got habit of listening to others.
Others or only a wife?
Now only wife बोलेगा तो others wife also I am listening.